Okay guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm just watching, I think, the Jungle Book. So guys, take a look. I know guys, I'm at the dentist office, so it's well. Oh yeah, check out the background. They got video games that's inside. Hey, are you looking for the video games? Do you want to know where they're at? They're in here. See, watch. Look at here. The video games are in there. You want to say hi to my vlog? But yeah, guys. I gotta wait for 30 more minutes. I'm not gonna be able to talk. So guys, I'm just gonna kind of come over here. Oh, so that's where that toy went. So always back over here. And then the kids section where the toys are. It's pretty fun to get toys once they're done, guys. Oh, have I introed yet? No. I'm Brandon McKay, and I'm under my sister's channel. So check out Stephanie McKay. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget your notifications. Now I'm kind of coming here. Wyatt, which is right here. Check out the sign. Well, pretty right. And I'll walk through here. Okay, guys. How long has it been? 2 minutes? Oh, wow. I had no clue I was vlogging for